In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block an email address in Gmail. If you're getting messages you don't want, blocking the sender is a quick way to keep your inbox clean without having to manage each message manually. When you block someone in Gmail, future emails from that exact address are automatically routed to your spam folder. The sender isn't notified, and your existing emails remain where they are, so you can review or delete them on your terms. Start by signing into Gmail in your web browser and opening a message from the person you want to block. It's important to open an actual email from that sender because the block action is tied to the address on that message. If you're viewing a long thread, make sure you've selected the specific message that shows the person you intend to block in the header. This ensures Gmail applies the block to the correct address. With the email open, look to the top right of that message. You'll see a small set of controls next to the reply arrow. Click the More icon there, the one that looks like 3 vertical dots. Be sure you're clicking the dots on the message itself, not the ones higher up in the toolbar that apply to the whole conversation list. The message level menu is the one we want. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose the option labeled Block, followed by the sender's name. Gmail will show the display name it detected from that email. If you don't see the block option, double-check that you opened the message and click the dots next to the reply button, since that's where the correct menu lives. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure. Click Block to confirm. After you do, Gmail will route new emails from that address straight to spam, helping keep your inbox free of unwanted messages. You may also see a small banner confirming the change, so you know it worked. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Blocking applies to the specific address on that message. If a sender uses multiple addresses, you may need to repeat the action for those other addresses if they start mailing you as well. Blocking doesn't delete past messages, so feel free to archive or remove older emails whenever you're ready. And if you're worried about missing anything important, remember you can always check your spam folder periodically. Blocked messages will appear there. That's it, you've successfully blocked an email address in Gmail and taken control of your inbox.